Hello, today we'll be opening Topps Sterling Baseball 2007. It costs a lot of money, $350. 4 cards plus a mystery pack containing 1 card. Let's bust this. We're hoping for the Mickey Mantle.
Yeah, the Mickey Mantle cut auto. Alright, let's not give it away. Let's just open it enough for the mystery pack. Now close it. Alright, let's open it.
Let's open this.
You gotta take the knife. We got a white suede Roger Clemens, numbered to 50. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, let's get on. Put the box over here. Let's see what we got.
David Ortiz.
David Ortiz. Hoping for an auto.
Open.
Not the Yankees pack that we wanted, but that's alright.
Tough to get this baby open.
Yeah, they don't want anybody breaking into it, messing with the cards. Oh! Number 7 out of 10, David Ortiz, autoed bat jersey. Alright, take it out, bro. Let's see the base cards now. They're underneath that. We got a base of David Ortiz.
Numbered to 250. A base David Ortiz numbered to 250. A base David Ortiz numbered to 250.
Alright.